how to download LDPlayer for PC. So if you want to download the LDPlayer for PC, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Once you're here on the browser, you need to go for the search and you need to search for download LDPlayer. Once you've searched, you need to go for the first, which is www.ldplayer.net. And once you're here, you will have this kind of interface. So if you want to download, you just need to simply click on download LD player, or if you want the previous versions, then you can simply click on previous versions. And if you scroll down here, you will have the previous versions. So you can simply download LDPlayer 9, or here you will have LDPlayer 5 of 32-bit, 64, or 32. You can simply choose any one of your version that you would like to download. So if you've chosen the LDPlayer 5, then simply click on it and it will automatically download. You can go for your downloads, which is on the upper right, and here you can go for full download history, and then you need to double click on it, and now you will have this kind of interface where you just need to simply click on install, and once you click on install, your LDPlayer will be installed. So that's how you can download and install the LDPlayer for PC, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.